So this is one of my favorite recipes to teach my clients in the Diabetes 180 program. Regardless of how you tolerate carbs, oatmeal is a really good choice for diabetics because what we're using today is rolled oats. But if you find that this spikes your blood sugar levels, steel cut oats is another great option. And I rarely found someone who couldn't tolerate steel cut oats. Now, of course, if you're going to make steel cut oats, it's a little different because you have to cook it first. I mean, you can do an overnight oats with steel cut oats, but it's going to be a little tougher in texture. But just cooking for at least 5 minutes, the steel cut oats, and then following these steps, you'll still get a delicious and quick and easy option for breakfast or even a light supper. So I'm gonna walk you through one jar, but usually I try to make a few. You can make 4 or 5 and be set for the week, right? So this one is going to use, let's see if I have everything here, cocoa nibs, right? And almond slices. And let's see, I've got other options here, but I'm gonna keep it simple. Just cocoa nibs, and banana. We'll throw some banana in there too. And then you have here a sample of overnight oats that I made prior to this video, and I'll show you a close-up before the video is over. So let's walk you through a quick and easy overnight oat recipe. So this one is going to start with, for this what we do is I like to do 1-to-1 on the oatmeal and the plant milk that I'm using. Right now we're going to be using soy milk. So 1-to-1, this is going to be about, I eat a lot. So this is a pretty big jar. Most of you guys probably are going to be using a jar this big, but for me, it works because I'm a bigger guy. I like to eat and I'm very active. So great way to put in healthy calories in. So I'm gonna fill this about halfway. As far as the soy milk that we're using, I'll probably fill it to a little bit above the halfway mark. Of course, you don't have to be precise, but if you're gonna be precise, it's about 1-to-1 ratio of the milk to the oatmeal. That right there. And then have fun with it. You can do whatever variation of add-ons, I guess you can call them, but I usually like to do basically a nut, fruit, and either something sweet like raisins, or might do some like cocoa nibs, something like that. So we're gonna do cocoa nibs and almond slices. Might throw in some raisins in there too. Let's see. All right, so let's throw in the almond slices. Alright, trying to be pretty generous with it. And if those chocolate lovers, if you want a nice, healthy, chocolatey choice, cocoa nibs, got this at Target, but you can find it a lot of stores, definitely health food stores will have it. And so I'll throw some cocoa nibs on top because I love me some chocolate flavor. And that's what I love about the overnight oats. You can, based on whatever you're using, you could really change the flavor up. So as far as a fruit, right, that's what's missing because I'm always going to have a fruit. Let's see, what fruit should I use? Let's go with bananas. Yeah, let's go with bananas. See, I wish I had a bigger jar. I ran out of space. Probably thinking that jar is big enough. But yeah, I do eat a lot. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so let's give you guys a little close up of what it looks like here. So we got the bananas on top, cocoa nibs and some almonds. And if you want, you could throw some raisins in there to make it even sweeter. And that's basically it. Final step is put it in the fridge and it's ready to go. I'd say let it cool for at least 6 hours, you know. Another thing I should add, if you want to make it a more smooth, soft texture, you could add, I like to add chia seeds or flax seeds in mine too. About a teaspoon worth is good enough. And then, yeah, that's it. You're set to go. These are the other ones. So this one, it has raspberry, pecans, and I'll probably throw in some raisins in there too. And this one has walnuts and blueberries. We also have, sometimes I'll like to add ground cinnamon, vanilla extract. Like I said, you have fun with it. Let me know in the comment section what you'd like to add in your oatmeal, overnight oatmeal, if you're already making it. If you're new to making overnight oatmeal, then try it out, and of course let us know how you enjoyed it. Quick and easy meal prep for the whole week. Breakfast is taken care of.